local up near where I work have this new game, and I'm excited to play it, and I've put $100 in, down to 33. I've picked up the piggies. Oh, come on. Come on, piggies. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, so we want one in here. Come on. No good. Okay. What can Piggy bring? Oh, really? Okay, that's not bad. $100. Okay. $112. Okay, well, I'll come back in if I get anything. Yeah, not a bad start though. Okay, we're back in. It took, yeah, as you can see, I've only got $52 left. I changed denoms, $1 denom, $2 bet. One here and here. Come on. Come on. Oh, wow. Come on. One. Oh, nice. Okay, come one up here. Come on. One. No. Oh. All right. See what happens. Okay, all right, we'll keep going. Come back in, get something. Okay, finally got the fill weight feature, but as you can see, it took nearly all of that to get it. Down to $1.25. So flying pig feature, right. Oh, how cute. All right. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, okay. Oh. Great, okay. Oh. Okay, so let's press the button. Here we go. There's a mini in there. Can we get the mini? No. $7.50. So it's $35. Okay. Alright, got a feature, got the coffee, which is lovely. The lovely staff member brings over the beautiful bickies and beautiful coffee. Now, come on. Oh, just one more. Come on. No. $20. Okay. Look at this, guys. $1 bet. I'm only on one line. Come on. in a bonus, finally. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. One more. Ay, ay. Okay, 27. I caught it. A ball with words on the dollar denom. Oh, come on, just one. Oh, it says that's enough. Oh, that's nice. $2.63. Beautiful. Not bad for just betting $1. I was determined. In again, only on $1, but I got a 20 and a 10, couple of 10s. Oh, come on. Thank you. Come on. Can I catch another word? Probably asking too much. Oh, alright. $2 more. One more, come on. No. Alright. I was hoping to catch another word, but oh boy. It's hard to do. 61. Nice. Okay, in again, that took forever. Oh gosh, we're starting with 7. No. Oh, thank you. Come on, drop a word. Come on. Oh, nice. Can we get a word? Come on. One more, come on, one more. No. Boy, oh boy. Alright, I'll try a bit longer, but I'm not feeling too confident on this one, I've got to tell you. Okay, we're in it again, only on one line, just hoping for a picture and then the soldiers to come up. All the words, all the balls, I mean. Oh my gosh, really? No, it's not going to work, come on. One? No. Oh my god. Okay, we've got a bonus. Alright, so hopefully, come on. Come on, something with colour or words. Come on. Colour and words, isn't it? Oh, the train. Oh, come on. Oh, one more. One? No. twos. 29 altogether. Okay. Guys, I just needed one more for the 250, but look, it's paid 50. But yeah, just one more makes all the difference. Wow. Oh. Well, I should have kept filming because the next press this is what, and I got another word. Beautiful. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. I mean, look, I'm only playing $1, guys. Low limit betting in between my shifts. I don't want to lose a whole lot of money when I'm waiting for my next shift to start. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Just trying to get some footage, some features. But that's beautiful. Really happy with that. I wonder if we could drop the minor. I might play a little bit more, but otherwise I'll take the ticket soon, I think. Yeah, I think I'll take the ticket out now. I just picked up the 5 kings. Yeah, I think we'll do it. Oh God, I've pressed the button. All right, we'll go to 480 and then I'm going to take the ticket out. I think I've been lucky. Yeah, so, oh, where is the collect? Sorry, guys. But look, I might put another 50 in and just to see if I can get the balls again. You never know, I might get another word. Who knows? But yeah, happy with that. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to start calling this in between shift specials. Yeah, so finished work this morning, went to one pub up here, got some features, and I was lucky enough to catch a couple of features on the new Piggy game, which was really good. Yeah, then played the Dragon Train game, got some features on that, but now I've gone to I'm going to try another pub up here and see what I can get from that. So I'll let you know how I go when I finish. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and like the video, and all the best to you. Hey, I'm now at a different hotel, but it's actually the same game, and the major's on 900 on this one, so I thought I'd just give this a go, doing the same bet, dollar denom, dollar bet. Hoping to catch something. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. No. Oh. Alright, come on. Yeah, you should have. Lady next to me got the major on her machine just before I came in. Yeah. Oh no, that's great. That's good, isn't it? Because you can pay some bills with that, oh, you're going on holiday? There we go, guys. Look, $150, just betting $1. That one line. So I'm happy with that. I know if I was betting 5, I would have got 5 10s and 5 jacks, but that's so good. I'm happy with betting $1 to try and hit one line. Yeah, oh my gosh, 2 more. I'll come in. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. I'll come in if I can get those balls. This one came up soon after. Okay. Can we get 5 of a kind? Come on. 5 of a kind. $75. Not bad. Oh, can we do it? Just one? No. Look, that's okay. $92. Happy with that. And got a little bonus. Back in. Please drop a word. Come on. Oh, the train. Oh, that major. Oh my God, 900. Oh. 2 more ones are fine. Okay, one more one. I don't think it's in there. I'd love another word though. So we'll keep going just in case. I was going to try and get on another machine, but while I'm getting the balls, I think I'll keep on this one. Well, I've caught the train. Oh, golly gosh. Come on. Come on, anything with words. Come on. Come on. Can it drop the major as well? Is it asking too much? Come on. One more. No. Alright. Well, we're in the train. We're on the train. Where are we going? Come on. Thank you. I forgot to show that's what the number is, but oh, come on, one more. Oh, okay, that's okay. $88. That's okay, dollar bet. Having a bit of fun. Yeah, can I just take the time to say, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, comment and hit the notification bell, because we try and post videos 2 to 3 times, well, about 3 times a week, I think it is, at least. I've actually got to go to the library today and post some before going to work, but I haven't stopped playing yet, so yeah, they're sitting on my computer. Oh, we're in again. As I'm waffling along, but anyway, yeah, I've got to post at least 2 videos. Yeah, it's just been so busy between work and home. Oh my gosh. But yeah, come on, can we get the numbers? Oh, do you know what? If I had the horse there. Oh, look, that's okay. What's that? $25. We'll take it. Anyway, yeah. Oh, come on, can we get the numbers? No. Oh, look, the horse again, guys. Wow, it's just teasing. Anyway, thanks, and thank you for watching. Okay, well, down to $34. I think I had 100, didn't I, in there? I'm getting a bit confused, but got a bonus. Come on. Oh, I just saw, did you see that? The 6 go through. Oh my gosh. And this is a bonus bummer because it gave me the 4 to start, I guess. Oh, I tell a lie. someone actually wrote a comment saying there's no such thing as a 4-symbol curse. I've certainly felt that over the years that I've been playing machines, and yeah, have heard lots of gamblers out there who have felt the same thing, but maybe it doesn't happen to him. But anyway, managed to catch a bonus in the bonus. All right, 21. $33. Okay, thank you. After, guys, we got the 5 kings. There's 50 there. Should have kept filming. Come up. I think 2 spins after. Come on. Come on, get your timing right, guys. Oh no, now look at that. Okay, yes, we got the 10s, but look where the horse is. If it was on $3, that would have been, or even $5. What am I saying? If it was on $5, I don't even want to think about it. I have to be happy. $5, but yeah, missed out majorly, guys. Majorly. Oh, 56. Okay. So I've just been brought out some beautiful raisin toast, which is nice. That would be like my sort of like a brunch at the Pokies. We're in again. Come on, drop a word. Come on, drop something. Come on. Ah, train. Nice. Come on. Oh, come on. Thank you. Come on. Any words? Any words? Alright, let's see what we can get. So that's what we're playing for. $4. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh no, come on. $1? Wow. Oh, come on. One more. No. Well, that's pretty bad. A feature, I guess. Okay, 61. Okay, in again. Come on, words. Anything with words, come on. Oh, one more. Come on. No. Oh, at least we got a 15 or 10. Low limit betting. 39. Okay. Okay, we're in again. I saw the word word minor on here, but it landed all by itself. Oh, train. Alright, that's nice. I'd love it if the minor would come back. I'm a dreamer, aren't I? It has happened for me before. Alright. Let's go. Come on. Come on. $4? Oh, one more. Come on. One. No. I just won. Thank you. Come on. One. Oh. No. Okay. Nice. Okay, we'll try again. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on, anything with words. Anything. Oh, nice. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on, one more. Nope. Gosh, I really would love that mini to drop again. Come on. One more? No. That was it, 40. Okay. Complimentary hot chips, a sauce. Gets a bonus. Alright, come on. 2. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, just 1. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, 24. I only got a line hit. $100 playing one line. So if you ever come to Okendoric House in Mount Barker, order the I think it's chicken and barbecue flavour pizza. It is to die for. Anyway, we're in for a bonus, which is taken forever. Really want a word, come on. One more. But yeah, if you're ever up in Mount Barker at Ockendoric House, the pizzas are amazing. And they give them out in the pokey rooms, just like, you know, pieces of pizza for free. But yeah, if you ever want lunch up here, I advise to get a beautiful pizza. Finally got a word, which took forever, but thankful for that. Now if anyone wants to drop the major, that would be great. Come on, one more. No, alright. Finally. We finally caught the next bonus after getting that mini. Oh, one more. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh my god. If I was on 3 lines. Oh no. Look, it's okay. But really? So I got 100 for the top, 75 for the middle, but I missed the bottom, and yeah, okay, 175. Now if I could just get the numbers, that would be great. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just one. Yes, thank you. Come on, Major. Come on. Anything, come on. Oh no, come on, just one. Anything? Oh. Ay. Okay. Okay, we've still got one more game. Okay, that was it. Alright, so 306, which is a good win for a $2 bet, but boy, the games have just been far and few between. Yeah, so I'll come back and if I get anything, but I think I'll have to go soon. Okay, we're back in. Yeah, can we bring any more words? That'd be great, please. Oh, anything. Thank you, come on. Oh, come on, just one. Thank you. Thank you, come on. Oh, come on. Bring a word, baby, come on. Bring anything, I don't care. One more. 38. Okay. End it. Caught the train. Can we get any words? Oh, another 30. Nice. Come on, baby. Come on. Keep going. One more. Oh. Okie dokie. That's what we're playing for. That's okay. That's a nice win. Off a $2 bet. Happy with that. I think I should really probably take the ticket out when it reaches 600. Oh, 3. Alright, we'll do one $3 bet. Okay, we'll take the ticket out, I think. Collect. Ay. Alright, very good. Okay, I might put 50 in. I know, crazy. On a $1 bet and see if I can get a bonus, and I'll come back in if I do. Okay. Caught it. Oh yes, thank you, baby. Oh. See, that's why I just keep persisting on this dollar denom. I can't help myself. Been obsessed today. Anyway, but it's worked. $2.97. I probably should take that ticket out too. Yeah, I think I'll take this ticket out. That with the other one. And start again with a fresh 50. And yeah, I'll try again. In again soon after. Oh, just one. Come on, baby. Just one. Oh, very. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. We're in. Oh, I needed the king there. That's okay. Any words? Come on. No. Okay. Games. Oh, 2 more. Oh no, I'm not on that line. 2. Thank you. I'm glad the horse wasn't down here because I wasn't on the line. Oh, okay. Oh, can green or blue come? Come on. Or the train. Any words? Come on, baby. One more. $45, nice. Not bad for a $1 bet. You can't complain. Still got 2 more games. Okay, $93, nice. Okay, so I did a couple of $2 presses. I'm lucky enough to grab the train. Come on. Any words? Any words? Come on. Come on, Major. You're high enough. Come Come on. Thank you. Come on, one more. One more. Thank you. One more. Anything? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, one more. No. Okay. So that's what it is again. Uh-oh. Thank you. Thank you. Come on. Oh, please. Oh, please. Come on. No. Oh my God. Seriously. Okay. Well, that was a bit exciting, wasn't it? I've had that happen a few times with the Fortune 8 where it rolls through but it doesn't land. I've only had it land once on the Fortune 8, but anyway, still that's a good win. Happy with that. 184. Nice. Oh, all right, we'll do a little bit more. Oh, three. Okay, I'm going to cash this ticket out, collect again, and put a fresh 50 in. Put that with the 600 one.